Hi, my VIP. Today we are going to talk about prison of the past. We have many people who are still stuck in their past. I know it's a journey, but you have a solution on it. Stop put guilt in your past. What happened, happened. You can't change the past. It's your story. But you can change it if you want to. How? Started thinking positively. Stop reliving the pain. Each time you're reliving the pain, it's like a memory record. We're going to continue going into your mind, and you got to break it. Started thinking about your dream, your goal. What do you want? Forgive yourself from the past. You see, people are working so many jobs, but they don't achieve their goal. Many of them are in the marital life. They are not happy because of the past. They are still prisoner in their past. You got to break the tide from your past and think about your future. Visualize what you want for your future. Positive environment, positive dream, and started focusing on what you want into your life. Started thinking positive thing. Surround yourself with positive people. Share this video. You're going to have somebody who have issue right now from their past. They're still stuck from their past. You're going to be in prison all your life. People are tied from their past. You want to do anything, something going to happen. It doesn't work. It's not going through because of your mindset. What are you thinking? Negative thing. My full video on my YouTube.